Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel and also press the bell icon. Today we will learn about how we can buy YouTube Premium through your bank account. It is very simple to buy YouTube Premium through your bank account. First of all, you need to open your browser and type YouTube Premium. When you type YouTube Premium, here is a link of to buy your YouTube Premium. Then click on Get YouTube Premium. Then click try 1 month for PKR 0. It is a depends upon your country. After clicking on try 1 month, then select in plan, individual plan, family plan, student plan. Select any plan that you want to buy. Then click on confirm. After confirm, then click to your then add your bank account. After adding your bank account, then click on buy. After clicking on buy, you can easily get YouTube Premium. This is a simple tutorial about how we can buy YouTube Premium through your bank account. Thanks for watching.